Man, we're gonna put this Blackstone to use tonight. We're gonna cook us up some Italian sausage subs. That's right. These things are gonna be so good, man. We got some sweet Italian sausage. We got some marinara. We got some mozzarella cheese. We got some peppers and onions, and we're gonna get all this together and cook it good. Man, it's gonna be so good. I tell you what, I love cooking stuff on this Blackstone, and tell you what, these subs are really, really good. So before we show you how to make all this stuff, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Get all that done. If you're looking for anything in our videos that you may like to have or would be interested in, check the description down below. We probably have a link to it. If we don't, let me know. I'll see if I can find you a link. So with that being said, let's get this griddle heated up and let's show you what we're gonna cook with. Let's get the griddle going here. Oh yeah, hear him firing up. Yeah, just like other cooks I've done, I'm gonna leave these 3 burners on, leave this side off where, you know, if something starts getting done a little more than I want it to be or whatever, I can slide it over to a cooler side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and turn this on down to about a medium low. This is where we're gonna cook at this evening. So let's get that heating up and let's show you what we're cooking with. Now this cook is fairly simple. Of course, we have some sweet Italian sausages right here that we're gonna grill up. We got some peppers and onions already cut up there and mixed together. I mean, look at that. And that's just pretty, ain't it? Yep. We got some sub rolls we're gonna put all this on, and we're gonna toast them up a little bit. We got some mozzarella cheese and some marinara sauce that we're gonna top it all off with, make it all melt it all down, make these things good. Griddle's good and hot now. Time to get to cooking. I think the baby's getting hungry. Put a little oil down here. Throw some of these sausages on the griddle. Now what I'm gonna do, put a little butter down for these peppers. Grab a handful of them, throw them on there. That is a beautiful griddle already. I mean, look at that. Stir these up a little bit. Now, as far as these peppers and onions go, I'm not gonna cook them way down. I'm just gonna get them softened up. Man, it's smelling so good already. So we're gonna let this cook low and slow. Now here's the thing with cooking sausages like this on the griddle. You don't want to cook them too hot, too quick. Slowly cook them, just keep them rotated, keep them turning, and man, them things are gonna be so juicy and just so great and done. And they're gonna be perfect. I promise you, they'll be perfect. You don't cook them too fast. Go ahead and give them a little roll here. You see they're starting to get done. Starting to show a little cooking on one side there. Just give them a little roll, a little flip. You know, with all the fairs and everything else being closed, man, this is just like going to the fair. Man, this is fair food right here, buddy. With the sausages, like I said, we're gonna keep on flipping them because you don't want to burn them too much on one side. Sometimes you gotta kind of help them out and prop them up against each other on here, and that's okay. But what we're gonna do is we're not gonna put them on here whole. We're gonna cook them for a while, then we're gonna take and cut them up and throw them back on here. Lay them things across that toasted bun. Man, this is gonna be right. You hear me? It's gonna be right. Give our onions and our peppers. Now what we have here is, you see, I didn't put everything in there. What I did is I diced up or cut up a green, a yellow, an orange, and a red bell pepper. and one medium-sized yellow onion. And that's what you see here before you. As you see, I kind of sliced them kind of like you would maybe for a Philly cheese or something like that. Now, if you prefer them diced, hey, dice them up, you know, whatever. You do yours like you want to do yours. You do you. Sometimes I cook this stuff just so I can smell it, if for no other reason, just so I can smell it. Keep the sausage there rotated out. Oh yeah, buddy. Gonna be some good eating here in a little bit. Give y'all this beautiful, beautiful close-up of what I'm seeing here. Man, look at that. Wow. I cannot wait. This is done. Dig into these. They're gonna be so good. Let's roll the dogs. Just kind of figure out where they're not cooking some, you know, more than others at. And flip it on that side. This Italian sausage and these peppers and onions, man, they are smelling off tonight. Baby's over there enjoying this. Now, being we're gonna cut these sausages up, we don't have to get them done all the way through like they are. I'm just trying to get them cooked a little bit so it's easier to cut. Plus it gives that char on the outside, and then we're gonna cut them up and throw them back on here and get that char on the inside and make these things really good. Keep our peppers, oh yeah, we starting to get a little char look on them now. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these two burners down here to low. And what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and just slide these over here, like so. We're gonna get our cutting board here. We're fit to cut these things up. Show you how easy this is gonna be. So what you wanna do is, take it and I'm gonna slice them kind of long ways, like that. Now you can slice them however you wanna slice them. This is just the way I'm gonna do mine, because that will lay up on that bread so pretty. I would use a fork, but I forgot to bring one out here. So if you do this recipe, remember the fork. There you go. Got them all cut up, run all pretty light. So what we'll do now is we're just gonna scrape them back off onto the griddle. Move our cutting board back out of the way. And now these things are really smelling good. Come on there and get that sear. Stir our peppers again. Oh man. Oh man, them things are looking good. Pretty much almost where we want them. Give it the sausage a good flip. Keep it all stirred up and get it done. Spread them out so they can cook. We're gonna be eating here in a minute. Can y'all smell that? I mean, come on. Italian sausage, peppers and onions. I know you can't really smell it, but you know, you can imagine it smells good. So what we're gonna do now is just finish the sausage here up. As you see, it's starting to brown up even on the inside, and that's kind of what we're looking for. And look how pretty that turned out to be. We'll slide these over here. Let them hang out over here and chill out. Just kind of keep warm. Move these peppers and onions over here in the center, where it's good and toasty. And then some of that sausage grease. Can't go wrong there. We'll let that cook for a minute while I take something to drink because it's hot out here. Okay, these peppers are done. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move them over here with the sausage. With the sausage. As they say up north, the sausage. I don't know if you can hear it, that baby's having him a good time with his drink over there. Now, we got to toast this bread. All right, let's put some butter down. Because we're not going to put a heavy toast on this bread. We're just going to do 2 of them for now. Just kind of lightly toast them. Like that. Get them toasted up. Then we're going to put all this together, melt that cheese on them, and we're going to be eating. All right, like I said, I don't want a heavy toast on this. This is probably done about the way I want it. Oh yeah, that's about perfect right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, move them out of the way. Yeah, look at that. And we're gonna start building these things. So let's put some sausage on here. Put some peppers on here. Put some marinara sauce on here. It's almost like a pizza on a sub. Then we're gonna put some cheese on here. Man, that is gonna be good. Look, he's already hollering for it. We'll close that up. We're gonna build another one. Get some sausage on here. Now you put as much sausage on here as you want to. I was told Gimbal don't want peppers on here, so we'll just put the marinara and the cheese on here, which is fine. I mean, hey, make it like you want it. So let's put in some marinara on here. Which even without the peppers is gonna be good. Man, let's cover him up some marinara on there. Get him a lot. Now, put in some cheese on here. Let's cheese him up here, because he is kind of cheesy. We'll cheese the other one up some little more too. How's that? All right, what we're gonna do now is we got to melt this cheese down. So, how you do that, we say? I'll show you. Grab you a cooling rack. As you can see, a cooling rack. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Take them and put them on there. Grab you the handy dandy Blackstone big cover. Look at there. Fits just perfect. Get you a little bit of water. And steam it up. Let's sneak a peek at these things. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all, ooh, that bread's so nice and warm and toasty. Look at that. Probably could have filled them up even more. But that's okay. That's okay. We're fixing to eat these things. What y'all think about those? Italian sausage subs. They look good, but are they gonna be good? Well, we gotta find out. All right, guess what? Food's ready, kids show up. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. So tell you what, you ready to try these boys?
Yeah.
Now these things are easy to make, super simple. It's like a pizza on a bun. So let's try them out. Y'all grab one. They're gonna try the one without the peppers here. Y'all let me know what you think of it, and I'm gonna try mine. And back here where they can see you, boys. Try mine out. JJ likes it. Ooh, I do too.
They tasted just like pizza.
See, pizza on a bun. Hey, kids love it. You will too. The little man want him some. So I tell you what, try these. Let me know how you like them. These things are delicious. I mean, they are really good, ain't they, boys? Yeah. Give them a try. I'm sure your family will love them too. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, get all that done, and we're going to finish these up, and we'll see you next time.